A few days back I came across a beautiful pen, and I checked it out on YouTube, and I also googled it, and I got some details and inputs about it. And this is the Karappo empty pen by Kuretake. It's a Japanese pen that comes in two options. One is a zero point 0.4 mm felt tip pen, which works basically like a sketch pen and does not have much variation in its tip. The other option is a fine brush tip, which flexes a little bit like the Fudenosuke Tombow. How's this different? Because it's not use and throw. Tombow Fudenosuke was a use and throw brush pen which comes in two options, soft tip and hard tip. This one gives you the option of filling your own color of ink. Also, it gives you the option of refilling it when it does get over. So let's unbox this and see how we can go about using this empty pen. Basically, it has three parts to it. One is this body with a cap, and here is the felt tip already there. This is the felt cartridge that comes blank. It will absorb any dye based ink, and this is the back cover of it. So you have to just dip this in an ink container. Color of the ink can be of your choice. It should not be alcohol ink. It should be a normal dye based ink. Any color would do, which is your favorite. You can load this felt with your favorite color and insert it into the pen and give it a push from here, and your pen is ready to go. I have already in the meantime loaded the brush tip pen with a favorite mauve color of mine, and within a few seconds it had already absorbed the ink very quickly, and the tip is also saturated. We closed it from here and it's ready to go. This is the one which I am writing with. It's the karappo pen, and it is fine tip, fine brush tip. Let's write and see how this pen functions on paper. It can be mainly used for brush lettering. I pretty much like it. Let's look at the cost. This one was available on Amazon. You can also get it from the Kuretake India page, and it's not very expensive. MRP says 250 rupees, including GST for each of these. So you can see I paid around 500 for these two pens, and I'm happy that I will be able to reload them with my favorite colors of ink each time this gets exhausted. I can reuse them without throwing them away. They can be used, this one can be used for normal sketching also, and for signatures, because it has a felt tip which is not flexible. This one, there is a good flex, so you can see how the variations can be achieved. Good line variation is possible. You can get both thin and thick lines depending upon the pressure you are executing upon the page. So it is quite an ideal pen for brush lettering. If you have good control, you can get all the variations, and I think it can go even thinner than that. If you just don't use any pressure on paper, you can get a good number of variations with this pen. So this is pretty good for brush lettering. and I am pretty satisfied with this pen because it allows me to refill the pen once it is over. So this is a short review of the unboxing of the Karappo pen, which comes empty. You can load it up with your favorite color. Happy lettering. Thank you for watching this video.